Hey everyone, I'm Lisa Nicholson, licensed acupuncturist with a practice here in San Diego, California. My clinic is set up as a one-stop shop for breast cancer patients who are looking for care that supports them from the very first point of diagnosis all the way through treatment and beyond. I offer acupuncture, Chinese herbal medicine, nutritional support. Over the last 7 years since I went through breast cancer treatment myself, I have been networking with other providers in the area and have developed a list of resources where I can connect people who come through my clinic to just about anything that a breast cancer patient needs that's available in San Diego County. Like what, you might ask? You looking for a place for wigs? I know where to send you for wigs. If you're in need of lymphatic drainage, I know several amazing lymphatic drainage professionals that I can send you to. The list goes on and on and on. One of the things that I just love to do in my practice is to coach people on how to safely use medical cannabis as part of their medicine. And that doesn't have to be intoxicating. In fact, the majority of my patients do not want to be intoxicated on cannabis. The plant has been part of the Chinese medicine, materia medica, since pretty much the dawn of time. And in Chinese medicine, all 8 parts of the plants have been used medicinally. Intoxication hasn't really been the focus as medical use goes. And for the breast cancer patient, it can be really, really helpful for everything from managing nausea during chemotherapy to post-surgical pain to helping out with neuropathy during and after chemo. And oh my goodness, the thing that I used it the most for during my treatment was managing anxiety, because, we're all in this together. You know as well as I know that going through cancer treatment is crazy stressful and really anxiety producing. And it's really good to have a tool that you can use when you're sitting up at 3 o'clock in the morning staring at the clock and worrying about that next procedure or the results of your latest scan or how that next round of chemo is going to affect you. In addition to everything that I do in my clinical practice, I also run the only non-facility associated breast cancer support group in San Diego County. We meet on Monday nights from 6 to 7:30 on Zoom, and that group is linked to a bigger group, the California Breast Cancer Support Group. And we coordinate in-person meetups with the bigger group that happen monthly. There is even a separate group there for people who are experiencing metastatic disease. So I love working with people who are going through breast cancer. It's very near and dear to my heart because I went through my own treatment in 2017 and 2018. Just like all of you, I'm still doing my annual scans, still dealing with scan anxiety, still dealing with some of the after effects of treatment that affects all of us. And I would love to be part of your team if you're in the San Diego area and are looking for somebody that can help to provide supportive care as you're going through your treatment. Ooh, one of the other things that I do that I forgot to mention, a lot of my patients come in just so confused and overloaded with what they're hearing from their medical team. And a big part of what I do in my initial visits with my breast cancer patients and also through the support group is help to explain everything that their doctors have told them in terms that are understandable and at a pace that it can be absorbed. It's, when we start down this journey, a lot of times it feels like we're getting information like it's coming out of a fire hose, and it's so much all at once and so overwhelming, and that just adds to the stress and anxiety. So anything that I can do to make what's being proposed make more sense, so that people understand why they're doing the treatments that they're doing and what what the benefit is for putting up with some of the discomfort these treatments cause. That's another big part of my why. So again, I hope if you are looking for supportive care and you are in the San Diego area that you will look me up. My name is Lisa Nicholson. I can be found on the web at Balboa Park Holistic Wellness Center.com, on Instagram as Acupuncture Geek, and on Facebook also at Balboa Park Holistic Wellness Center. And thank you for listening.